if I have to find the length of a variable, I will write the command length, and it will tell me that how much is the length of this array. Okay, this is the indentation error. There is an unexpected indentation. You can see it tell me that the length of this array is 9 variables. There are total 9 indexes: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9. Now I am going to make a conditional statement, and it will check that whether the BS exists within this text. In the output you can see that it has been written that true. It tells us that these two letters exist within this array. If I change it into like this, it still says that true. If I write Z over here, Z does not exist over in this string, so it will tell me that the output is false. So it is a conditional statement. It check whether this specific string exists within the variable. If it is true, then it will display it true as an output, otherwise it will display false. If I write not in, still it will be true, because Z does not exist within this set X. I can also slice the string X from 3 to 6. So this is a specific slice of the string which has been displayed over here. If I write a single colon and then 6, it will display all the characters present with this string before the index 6. The 6th index is this one, I. So all these string from S to R have been displayed over here. Again, if I write the single colon at the right position of the value, it will display me all the values after index 6. This one is the 6th index, so all the characters, all the values after 6 have been shown over here. If I write negative values over here, it will show nothing in the output because there is no negative indexes. I can also modify the string, like I can convert the string into uppercase. So you can see all the string have been converted into uppercase. Similarly, I can convert string into lowercase. You can see that we can change the case of the. We can also replace if I want to replace S with R, so where here is the S in the string, it has been replaced with R. I can also split this string. I can also split this string with specific character like if I want to split it at position y, there is no y, this is capital Y. So after y and before y there are two different strings which have been created. I can split it through spaces. There are two spaces, so a list of 3 strings have been created. I can also split it at my. I can also insert number in this string through format function. You can see that I have inserted, there is a single curly bracket, so at this position within the string a character value will be inserted. So a value has been inserted over here, you can see it. Now I can insert some string at this position. You can see it. If I now there are 2 indexes, so at each index has different string will be stored. I can also store a value. This was all about the string modification, insertion and editing within the string. Thank you so much. In the next video I'll tell you some more about the Python language. Thank you so much.